Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're still enjoying this channel and the Capitec new app is lit. I'm loving it too. So without further ado, we are going to look at how you can pay your Dstv on your new Capitec app. So you go to your Capitec new app and then at the home screen click on pay beneficiary and key in your PIN and confirm. Then you need to add a beneficiary. So as you can see, there is pay Capitec clients cell phone number, and there is Capitec registered, and there is bank account. So in this instance we need Capitec registered, so we click on it. So it gives you all these options. You go on and search. Search for Dstv. Then Dstv, there is mod choice SA Dstv, and you click on that one. Okay, it requires a beneficiary name. I'm just gonna give an example to a beneficiary name. I'm gonna say Kazimulu Singer, and then it needs a Dstv account number. So Dstv account number is the 8 digits that has been provided to you by Dstv. So mine is and then payment notification, it says choose notification type. So I would like to do this as an SMS, and the SMS I need it to be a cell phone number, not an email address. You can also use an email address if you wish to. So I'm just gonna key in my cell phone number. Once that is done, you can press on done, and then I'm going to add as a beneficiary. Then I need to confirm. First I have to key in my PIN and then confirm. Okay, so if you're done, or if you want to pay later, you can press done and then you can pay later, but let's pay now. Okay, you can also have options. If you click here, you can choose whether you want to pay from a credit card or from a fixed account or from savings account. We're going to pay from savings account, and remember, payment type has to be just once, but if you want it to repeat and recur, you can press on here, and then you can choose for future dates or recurring, but in this instance we just need it once. Key the amount that you need to pay on this Dstv. So let's say I'm just gonna do a small amount of 30 rand. So if you scroll up, you can see right at the bottom it says pay. Then you straight away click on pay. So pay 30 rand to Capitec registered beneficiary Kazimulu Singer using Dstv account. That's 100% perfect. I'm just going to confirm. Okay, so our payment is successful and I'm receiving a notification from Capitec via SMS and says you have paid 30 Rand to Kazimula Usinga on the Dstv. So once you are happy, you can then press done, and that's how you pay your Dstv on the Capitec new app. I hope this was helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and comment as well. I'll be bringing you more videos again on the Capitec new app. Stay tuned and subscribe to receive each and every new video on my channel. Thank you.